What's up, my friends? It's Edward Tomaloso, Internet Sales Manager at Honda of Santa Maria. I want to do this video really quick. I just got this 2016 Honda HR-V in the Deep Ocean Pearl, and it's already being sold. And that's usually what's happening to the 2016 Honda HR-V. They have been selling as soon as they get here. So with this video, all I wanted to do was show you the paint job, the Deep Ocean Pearl. So hopefully with this video, if that is what you are considering, you're considering how it looks in the light, or you want to know how the flake looks, hopefully I got this on good camera so you can see exactly what this car looks like. If you want to see other reviews on the 2016 Honda HR-V, at the end of this video there will be end tags so you can click on those. Again, I hope this helps you if you are shopping for this car. I'm just excited for this car. So definitely look out for more videos. Subscribe if you want to see more on the Honda HR-V. Catch you guys later.